So hey guys, this website I'm about to show you will pay you for submitting logo designs generated by AI. And these are brands all over the world that pay people as much as $700 for just submitting logo designs, and that's all. And which logo design images generated not by them but by AI. So provided it suits the brand concepts and tastes and standard, you are good to go. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 2 websites that will pay you for uploading logo design images generated by AI. Now, the interesting thing about this is that not only is it the simplest way to earn money, the logo you are going to create is not generated by you, it will be generated by AI. And I'll also show you additional websites that is AI powered, that specializes in generating logos and logo designs. It's not restricted to any geographical location. So wherever you are on the internet, in the world, worldwide, wherever, anywhere at all, you just have to have a very strong internet connection and boom, you are good to go. Hello guys, I'm Shallybuilds. You're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some cool cash by using AI generated images. Sit tight. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, I wonder what you're still waiting for, and as well subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get fresh updates. Now, the first website on my list is called Logo My Way. I'll leave the link to this websites in the description box below. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to this interface. It's the general homepage of the website, and this is what it looks like whether you're using your PC or you're using your smartphone. This website is trusted by top brands like HuffPost, Forbes, Columbus, Business First, and Entrepreneur blah blah blah, and others. Scroll through the homepage and you'll find info on how you will use the website to create logo for yourself. As you can see, these are logo designs and elements over here. At the top of the website, click on logo contest options, and then an interface that looks like this will appear. Good. Here we go. Different brands all over the world holding logo contests are here, and guess what they're doing? They're just paying people money for simply submitting their logo images which are in tune with their brands. And for example, we can see Coastal Palm Orthodontics is paying over $200 for a logo. And then we have 4 days left. We see Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General Aviation Unit in need of a logo, and they're paying over $500. We see Challenger G Elites $600. I mean, that's by the time by the time you generate over 2, 3, 4 logos, you should have made lots of money, which is way even more than 100 grand, 1,000 grand, and that. So. And they say when you hire a traditional design agency to create your logo, you might only get 1 or 2 designs working on your logo. So what if you could have dozens or hundreds of logo designers working on your logo at the same time? So that's so interesting. So these are the frequently asked questions about running a logo contest, and you can get to go through them in your leisure. To participate, you simply need to click on the brand which you feel is favorable to you. So let's go for aviation. The description and requirements will be given. You can choose to start a design contest like this, and then once you generated your logo, you've got everything ready, you then click on submit designs. This is the name on logo Pennsylvania, and then these are the description. What we do, we are law enforcement aviation business name. It's not a business, does not need to be exact, should not say police. Now it's legal. Now this is the audience, the target audience who will need fonts and colors. Now these are the requirements that can meet up to the standard. So once you've gotten the heart of what they want, you go ahead to make your logo design. All right, so and then come back here to click submit. So this is how this one works in particular. Now the second website on my list that can pay you over $700 by just creating and generating logo image designs is called Design Crowd. And these guys are a community of global workers of graphics designers and the name of their community is called Design Crowd. They said here, get paid to do what you love, find new clients, and build a successful freelance career when you join the global community. And now, how does Design Crowd work for designers? You have to sign up and then search for design projects that interest you. So here we're basically going to go for logo designs. So what you have to do here is to scroll downwards under the popular pages, and you see free logo ideas, design contests. So click on design contests. We have design beats, logo ideas, and all that. So when you sign up for free, this is what the website will look like, whether you're using your PC or you're using your Android or you're using your iPhone. To be qualified for the logo contest, you have to just click on the show filter after signing up, choose all category. Here it is, here, and then the logo and their prices will be displayed. Some pay in US dollars, some pay in Canadian dollars, some pay in Australian dollars. So click on any of them which you are interested in and then submit your logo design, provided it meets with the standard that is required. Now let's go create the logo design with this top-notch AI that will suit the brand. The name of the AI is called Free Logo Maker, and this is it. This is what it looks like, whether you're using your PC or you're using your laptop, your tablet, your iPhone, your Android, smartphone, or whatever it is. This is what the website looks like. So we're just going to sign up. As well, I will leave the link in the description box below. So I'm going to click on create new logo, enter company name, Shelly. We're going to use Shallybuilds as an for instance. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what it's going to give us. So you choose to customize anyone according to the standard and requirements. This customizing is like editing them to the standard which the brand requires or needs. So here we are with these options and this and this. You can now, and little editings, you can now make it to, you can now design it to the level you want. So, and then you click on download, and so there is it. Then download it and head back to the website and click submit designs. So that's how AI has simplified everything for you. And so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and as I promise to leave all the links in the comment section below. And then until my next video, just be good. See you in my next video. Bye.